Alright, starting the new charcoal, and look at her smoke. She was smoking really good just a little while ago, but of course my camera wouldn't work right. Yeah. Open it up, take a look. Oh, Hannah. Got her going good. Turn it down just a little bit. Put my glove on, excuse me. Alright. She's going good. Let that simmer. So this is just my barrel grill. Put some tubes in it to the blow dryer. When I made this, it's a big old rotor with some metal plate I bent. Actually, the back part is a truck leaf spring I bent, and then this is just some other metal I put on here and welded it all together, and she works really good. You can see it's up to about 400. This needle will go all the way to the left. It's up to like 600-700 degrees in there. Hot enough to melt metal many times. Back over to the anvil for a little energy drink. Love these stupid things.